Hello, yeah, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So here I'm back with one interesting video, and this video is about like how we can do facial at home. Yeah, so let's start with the video. So today I am also reviewing a product of Vaadi, and here I am using this facial kit. It's 24 carat gold facial kit, and it suits every skin type, especially for any good occasion, for wedding or for anything like this. You can go through it. Yeah, so let's start with the video. So it has a 4 steps only. First is cleansing, second is scrubbing, and third then massaging, and the last is the face pack. So the first one is the cleansing. So I'm opening it. It is in a small white container. So it is of a yellowish color, you can see. Yeah, and now I'll be massaging it to my face for 5 to 7 minutes, and now I'll be showing you the steps what you need to do while doing a facial. Yeah, facial is very important to do. Yeah, so here I'm done with it, and now I'll be applying a cleansing cream. So you just need to take a little bit, yeah, and just apply to your face, just like it, to your neck area also. Yeah, so now just need to massage it like this in a circular motion, and just go your fingers like this till your nose, and then do it through your eyes in circular motion. It relaxes your eyes muscles, and to the forehead, move your fingers like this and give a stress to this area. It relaxes your muscles and gives you a very good glow also, because what facial does to your skin, it circulates your blood, yeah, and gives you a glow from internal. And from neck you have to do it in upper motion. Please follow the same steps which I am following and do it like this. What this position do to your skin, like it tightens your skin and moves your skin to upward, because if we put down, then our skin will get wrinkles. Yeah, so you need to do it till it all absorb to your skin. Now after it absorbs to my skin, I'll just clean it with a cotton dab. So yeah, see, it removes all your dust. Yeah, yeah. So the next step is to apply scrub. So see, yeah, and this is a gold facial, so every cream is of a golden color. So yeah, it has a very gentle scrub. Yeah, it's not harsh. You just need to apply to your cheeks and just rub in a circular motion for 5 minutes. Please apply more to your nose area and to your chin area, as blackheads are found here only. While massaging, do use a gulab gel. So I am also using it. See, I am also using this spray gulab gel, so I am spraying it to my hand, as a spray makes it very easy. Yeah. Then again follow the same steps. Yeah. Do it till 5 minutes till it absorbs to your skin, and give a little pressure as it circulates your blood and muscles. So after scrubbing, I'll means swipe it with a cotton dam. Really, I'm feeling very fresh even after the 2 steps. Yeah. The whole process take you like approx 50 minutes, 50, 60 minutes. Yeah, you can see like the change to my skin. Yeah, before I started making video and now. So now the third step is like cleansing, and you need to take a cream in a large quantity to your palm, and now massage it with a pressure hand. Yeah, do spray the gulab gel, then continue. Do it till it absorbs to the skin. But massage like 20-25 minutes. Yeah, do this circular motion. It relaxes your eyes and also helps in removing your dark circles. And to this area, do it like this. And to this area, do it like this. So again, I'll spray a gulab gel. I'll spray it 2-3 times. So after massaging, I'll again remove the cream with the help of a cotton dab. really it relaxes the skin very much. I do facial every month. So see, you can see the glow. And now I'll be using the gold pack. And now I'll apply this pack all over my face. It is in a paste form. I'll apply all over my face, avoiding getting to your eyes. Yeah, so I'm done with it. Yeah, it looks very funny. Now I have to rest it for 20-25 minutes, then I'll be showing you the result. Till then you can do any work, yeah, any reading or watching TV, anything, yeah, because you are doing the facial at home. Yes. So yeah, I washed off my face and now I am patting with the help of towel. And yeah, you can see the results. Like I am feeling very refreshing, and yeah, my skin is so soft, so supple. I am liking this product very much, and also I like my tricks, like how I do facial at home, because my baby is too small and like I can't spend much time on parlor. So if you are in the same busy schedule, you can follow these steps. It will be very helpful. Yeah, and I do recommend, like on the day you are doing facial, not to use any soap or any chemical product to your face. Yeah, and if you are going for some particular occasion, do the facial like 3-4 days before. After 3-4 days you will get a very good glow. Yeah, so like if you are liking my videos, please like to my video, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for many more such videos and updates. Yeah, thank you.